This is the sound of deliciousness. Hello, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian catfish pepper soup with yam. Yes, this is a very elevated way of cooking your catfish pepper soup. You can use plantain if you don't want to use yam. They are all good. So, I'll be giving you a secret to make your catfish pepper soup or any other pepper soup you want to cook the Nigerian way stand out any place you cook it. Like this secret, you don't want to miss it. So if you want to hear how to make it or how to make your pepper soup stand out, please keep watching. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma and I'm here to simplify Nigerian food, breaking it down and making it easy, one recipe at a time. If you're a beginner looking for a simple way to create or cook healthy Nigerian food from scratch, this is the perfect channel for you. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me. And feel free to ask any question in the description or in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. Everything I use will be on the screen and in the description too. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to give you guys a secret of what makes my pepper soup stands out. Tomato mix, pepper mix, a little bit of spice here and there, and that is it. The base of your pepper soup is very, very essential. It's very important. We all know how tomato mix is made, and for pepper mix, I always use different combination of pepper. I always add garlic and ginger before blending it, and I store it in my refrigerator. And for this mix for pepper soup, I added both tomato mix and pepper mix. I added 2 big bulbs of onions. I added salt, pepper soup spice, a little bit of ginger. I added ginger a little bit because we all know that the pepper mix will have ginger in it. And I added just 2 cloves of garlic because the pepper mix also has garlic in it. And this is what makes my pepper soup stands out. This base is what you will use in cooking your pepper soup. Be it catfish pepper soup or normal chicken pepper soup or mixed meat pepper soup, that's assorted meat. Make your base right. If you get your base right, you are good to go. Okay, the base is what you add to your fish or meat or whatever you are cooking. Because I'll be using yam for this recipe, after adding the fish, I'll be adding the yams. Then I will pour in the rest of the mixture that we have blended on it. This is where everything comes together. What they absorbs first is this super delicious mixture. And this is what gives the powerful, delicious taste to your pepper soup. So hold this recipe and hold it well, because people will ask you how you make your pepper soup the same way they always ask me. I need to change this burner. It's as if the heat is not circulating properly on the pot. So I'm going to place the pot of catfish on a bigger burner, using that same opportunity to shake the pot to mix everything together more. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this recipe, give me a hug emoji in my comment section. Do you see this thing I added? This is scent leaf, dehydrated scent leaf, African basil. If you don't have it in your home, please dehydrate, buy a lot of it, wash, dehydrate it, okay? You don't even need to spread it under the sun so that you will not lose the scent. Inside the room that is ventilated, the wind will dry it. Grind and keep it in an airtight container. Use it for palm oil rice, native moi moi, porridge, and so many other, even your beans. You will thank me later for this. As you can see, our yam has softened. So the whole process of Nigerian catfish pepper soup is wrapping up. A little bit of uziza leaf and utazi leaf, and we have called it a day. This Nigerian catfish pepper soup is ready. The yam is soft. The catfish is catfishing. It's very good. It's very try this recipe and thank me later, okay? I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.